We did not invent these occurrences, but this is borne out by the records of the case, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, our objection is the witness. We are through with the witness had been presented. She was subjected to direct examination. After the direct examination, we conducted the cross, and after the cross, the witness. We are through with the witness, Your Honor. We do not know in what capacity the recall of the witness is made. There is no motion, there is no ground, there is no justification whatsoever.
There was a request by a member of this court for the recall of this witness. And that is a prerogative of a member of this court, according to our rules, to ask questions, clarificatory questions from the witness. I do not know what is in the mind of the member of this Senate in requesting for the recall of the witness. I cannot control as a
Nuot ka, Gab? Nuot ikaw? Gab?
Senate sitting as an impeachment court to perform his job as a member of the Senate as a body of